Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jake from Indy Card Breaks. About to start our 6-box 2018 Panini Football Mixer Break on Wednesday, January 16th, 2019. Let's get this random going. We have 30 total spots in this break. Consists of 2 Prism, 2 Contenders, and 2 Optic. All right, let's do a dice roll, see how many times we're random. Remember, at least has to be at least 3. We are going 3, exactly. All right, teams first. The 2 combo spots are going to be the Vikings and Raiders and Rams and Jags. 3 times. Here you go. 1. Redskins to Panthers. 2. Redskins to Seahawks. And 3. Got Patriots. So we got Jets in 7, Ravens in 8, Cardinals in 13, Giants in 16, Browns in 19, Bills in 25. Those are your big teams. Paste that one over. And then 3 times on the names. Here we go. 1. Mike down to Andy. 2. Steve down to Steve. And 3. Tim in the top spots. All the way down to Adam. See 3 times there. I will print that off. And we'll go through it. Yes, Adam. We ended up working on a deal for the 101 Barkley. And we have already sold it. So Patriots, Tim DeHaan. Steelers, Andy Weldy. Colts and Falcons go to Steve Owen. Dolphins, Joel Kurz. Packers, Nick Kirsch. Jets and Ravens, Josh Gilmore. Good 2 teams for Josh there. Panthers, Steve Owen. Saints, Mike Gregory. Eagles, Tim DeHaan. Broncos, Mike Gregory. Cardinals and Bengals, Merrill Hobaugh. Redskins, Tim DeHaan. Giants, Megan Coffey. Bears, Mike Perez. Chargers and Browns, Tim DeHaan. Lions and Chiefs, James Erie. Vikings, Raiders combo, Mike Gregory. Cowboys, Steve Owen. Buccaneers, Megan Coffey. Bills, Merrill Hobaugh. Texans, Mike Perez. Rams, Jags combo spot, AJ Kissel. Seahawks, Merrill Hobaugh. Titans, Kevin Mosselman. And 49ers, Adam Lovely. Feel free to talk trades. 4 minutes here. The Browns. Tim and Caden have the Browns. So Tim and Caden, if you're interested, Merrill has Cardinals, Bengals, Bills, and Seahawks. If you're interested in Niners aren't that bad, though, Adam, because Nick Mullins has autos and contenders. They're going for like 150 apiece for the base. Last I looked. Because Tim hit one and hit a Mullins in his 6-box personal break the other night that we did after the breaks. Well, yeah, for the Browns, of course, but Tim, the Niners have some possibilities at least, though. All right, anyone want any trades? Any other offers out there? All right, let's do this thing, man. Let's start with a box of Optic. Good luck, everyone. Pull this closer. See if I can move the camera down. There we go. We're looking at one auto and Optic. Hopefully some good parallels to go with it. All right. Let's see what we got. So we got a little insert there, maybe one from downtown. You got Garoppolo, Leonard Williams. It's one of the Super Bowl champions here. Michael Kendricks, Colorado rated rookie. Kid Reporter, which Kid Reporter contest is closed, I believe. So we had an orange. Devontae Booker, Doug Baldwin, orange, Leonard Williams for the Jets. That's out of 199. And a Jordan Thomas rookie. Blue. So you have T.Y. Hilton, Larry Fitzgerald. Blue, Marcus Davenport rookie for the Saints. It's out of 149. Saquon rated rookie for the Giants. Calais Campbell, Freeman, Devontae Booker Hollow, and Avonte Maddox. Zeke, Suggs, Elite Series rookies, Naheem Hines, and a Jordan Akins. Sean Lee, Goff, Legend Series Marshall Faulk, and Deion Kane rookie. Antonio, Breeze, Nick Chubb. It's a teal. It's out of 299. Nice little hit for the Browns there. DJ Moore rated rookie. Luck, Garrett, DeAndre Hopkins teal at $2.99, and Cedric Wilson Jr. David Johnson, Trubisky, Jerick McKinnon blue for the Niners. That's out of 149, and Alex McGough rated rookie. No auto on that side. Demaryius Thomas, Roethlisberger, Doug Baldwin, hollow, and Chase Edmonds. Kenyon Drake, Jordan Howard. There's a from downtown Cam Newton insert for the Panthers. From downtown Cam Newton for the Panthers. Steve Owen. Nice little insert hit there. John Kelly rated rookie. JJ, Vic Beasley, Tom Brady, and Luke Falk. Megan, you got the Giants. Congratulations. And the Buccaneers. Giants and Bucks. Josh Norman, Gordon, Mixon, and Maurice Freeman rated rookie. So we are on the first box so far, so you didn't really miss much. Carson Wentz, Rodgers, Teal, Jester, Wea. It's out of 299, and Tremaine Edwards, rated rookie. Still no auto yet. Cam, Beckham, OJ Howard, Sam Darnold, rated rookie. There's our auto. I'm going to leave that one since we're close to the end. Looks like it's a hollow auto. Thielen, AJ Green, Tom Brady inserts, and Deontay Burnett. Hopkins, Smith, Ratley hollow, and Calvin Ridley rated rookie. Rivers, Cooper, Marvin Jones Jr., and Trey Quinn. And last pack before the auto pack. Yeah, Benjamin, Manning, Mike Evans, and Edo Smith. All right, we got Cameron Wake, Le'Veon Bell, Darius Fountain, rated rookie. Auto is Richie James. Richie James for the Niners. So there you go, Adam. 51 of 99. Good returner for him this year. Giants and Bucks, yeah, Megan. Correct. So Richie James. Not the best box of optic on that one. All right, let's go Prism. Right now we got 3 autos in Prism. 3 autos to get. It's all base until we get to the 2 middle cards. I think that's all day. Ben Roethlisberger Prism inserts. And a Kerryon Johnson blue scope for the Lions. It's numbered out 99. Decent little parallel there for the Lions. James Erie. One more, Trey Quinn. Base. And John Riggins, Hall of Fame. We got a purple. Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. That's numbered out of 49, 25 of 49. It's a nice parallel for the Panthers. Carry on rookie. Base. We have auto there. Ronnie Watts rookie, Mark Walton rookie. First auto of the break is Darius Fountain for the Colts. Silver auto. Darius Fountain for the Colts and Steve Owen. That one's non-numbered. Base. Green crystal coming up. It's all base. Green crystal. Rookie Rashaan Evans for the Titans. That one's numbered to 75. Pettis rookie, Josh Sweat rookie. Hopefully no Josh Sweat auto contenders today. They're all been all over the place. His gorgeous JS auto that he has. Got a nice little ding in that Deion Lewis base there at the top. Orange die cut of Vic Beasley Jr. for the Falcons. It's at 249. Hamilton rookie and Scarborough. All base. Insert Hayden Hurst rookie introductions. Travis Kelce on a 275 for the Chiefs. Josh Allen rookie. 3 available, nice. Missing these autos. All right. Got our silver prism here. Hopefully a rookie. Earl Thomas III. So that's our 1 per box hit. Seahawks. And Merrill, it's the Earl Thomas silver. Just read Darius Geis. Second auto of the box is Derek Nandi for the Chiefs. That's going to James Erie. Derek Nandi auto. Hopefully this last auto will be a little better. We need something to get us going here. Light blue die cut of Justin Jackson. Actually played pretty well down the stretch out of 199 for the Chargers. And we have Illumination Alvin Kamara inserts. Orange die cut Dante Pettis for the Niners out of 249. Chubb and Carter. 3 packs to go. Should have 1 more auto to go as well. Got a Shaquem Griffin. Green and yellow at 275 for the Seahawks. Anthony Miller rookie. Dalton Schultz rookie. Looks like it's in the other pack, I believe. Hall base. Got a red of Calais Campbell for the Jaguars. That's numbered out of 149. Richie James and Jaleel Scott. And last pack should have an auto in it. Or the always fun points cards. 250 points, that will be random off at the end of the break between everyone in. And that pack had nothing else. Lovely, lovely points. All right, let's see if contenders can get us going. Let's see if we can do well out of some contenders. And there are 5 autos at least in these products, and at least 1 on card per box as well. Rookie of the Year contenders Mike White. And base. Ooh. All right, this one got us going a little bit better. T.Y. Goodwin, legendary contenders Brett Favre, Edelman, and you might have already seen it when I was flipping it, but nice Josh Allen on-card variation auto for the Bills. Congrats, Merrill. It's a nice hit right there. Really clean auto. Josh Allen on-card variation auto. Very, very nice, Merrill. Good way to get the break going again. Sean Lee, Hines Walton, round numbers. Auto number 2 is Vincent Smith for the Texans. It's going to Mike Perez. If you're interested in moving that, Merrill, let us know. He's one of the guys we're buying, so we'd definitely work out a deal with you if you're interested. Dak, rookie of the Year contenders Hines. Base. MVP contender Saquon. Round numbers Moore and Ridley. Rookie of the Year contenders Ridley. And auto number 3 would be Malik Jefferson for the Bengals. That's going to Merrill as well. So Malik Jefferson, the Bengals. So we'll see maybe some numbered autos or something. MVP Cam Newton. Yeah, a legendary contender is Manning. Sean Hamilton, Rookie of the Year. Aaron Rodgers, MVP. Auto number 4, Russell Gage for the Falcons. That's going to Steve Owen. Russell Gage as a base ticket auto. Yeah, I just hit a nice Josh Allen variation ticket auto. Got the break going a little bit. First box of Optic and Prism weren't the best, so heated things up a little bit. Legendary contenders Dion. For sure. QB autos are always welcome in contenders. We have a championship ticket, Chandler Jones for the Cardinals out of 99. MVP Drew Brees. Yeah, I saw that. That was nice. Round numbers Chubb and Davenport. 4 packs left. I believe we still have one more auto to go. And I was correct. A Rookie of the Year, Christian Kirk. And 5th auto of the box, Jordan Mailata for the Eagles and Tim DeHaan. So at least it wasn't Josh Sweat. But I probably spoke too soon. We do have 3 more packs and another box to go. So I probably jinxed us for a Josh Sweat. Round number is Washington and Chark. Yeah, we're hoping. We're gonna watch the forecast. Probably have to decide by 5 p.m. what we're gonna do though for Saturday. Rookie of the Year DJ Moore. Part of the problem for the Fishers show is they don't have anyone on staff at the Legion to shovel or salt. And they said once it starts snowing, they are shutting down. So we kind of got to make the decision earlier than we want. Saints team quads. Yeah, because, I mean, like, you guys travel from the north. We got people coming from, like, Chicago that set up. So, we can't really wait till Saturday morning to make a decision. If the forecast looks like it's going to hit early Saturday, then that might do us in. Because once it starts snowing, the Legion shuts down. They will not stay open. Well, hopefully it'll hold off till like at least 12 p.m. or so. We can get in a couple hours. Baca, I'm sure you would. I'm sure a lot of people would probably volunteer to shovel for box contenders. We don't have any more to give out. We are sold out in the shop. All right, back to Optic. An orange J.J. Watt out of 199 for the Texans. Chick-fil-A. Landon Collins, Hopkins Teal out of 299 for the Texans as well. Texans starting off with some parallels. Blue Jabril Peppers out of 149. There's another Saquon rated rookie. That's 2 of those, one in each box. Rated rookie Rashad Penny. Hollow Charles Clay for the Bills. Hollow Michael Thomas. Looks like this pack has our auto. We're just gonna go ahead and do this one since we still got a lot of the box left. So here's our auto pack. Got a rated rookie of John Kelly. Auto, it's another hollow, and it is Traquan Smith. It's a little bit better than last box. Traquan Smith, 3 of 99 for the Saints. Saints was Mike Gregory. So that one's going to you, Mike. He's got a decent future in New Orleans. Got Elite Series rookies Mason Rudolph. Hopefully maybe get some more decent color out of this. Rated rookie Darius Fountain. Rated rookie Mike White. We got a blue Troy Fumagalli. It's out of 149. Damon Ratliff. Jair Alexander, rookie. Hollow Jamon Moore. Bryce Freeman, rated rookie. So maybe Eagles. Yep. Corey Clement, the champ is here. Insert for the Eagles, Christian Kirk, rookie. Marcel Aitman, rookie. Elite Series, Jameis Winston. Mason Rudolph, teal rated rookie. It's not a bad one there. It's numbered to 299 for the Steelers. Sam Darnold, rated rookie. Drew Brees. We got MVP Brett Favre insert. Good looking insert there for the Packers. And Nick Kirsch. Cool card. Orange Braxton Berrios for the Patriots out of 199. And last pack of Optic. We got Jimmy Garoppolo retro and a Kyle Lauletta rookie. All right, Prism time. Box 2 of Prism. We're going to try Megan. It's super expensive on the secondary right now. I mean, we were at 190 in the shop, 185, 190. We're probably going to have to pay that much just to buy it back if we can even find it. So it's going to be more expensive if we are able to get it. But we will see. We're definitely going to try, that's for sure. All right, Prism. We are silver right off the bat. 1 per box silver. This one's Deshaun Jackson for the Buccaneers and Megan. Those are the 1 per box hits. And we do the first auto. It is Sam Hubbard of the Bengals. That's going to Merrill, the Ohio State defensive end. It's auto number 1. blue die cut of Braxton Berrios for the Patriots out of 199. Berrios getting some parallel love for the Patriots. Got green and yellow of Vic Beasley Jr. for the Falcons. It's out of 275. All base, rookies of Dante Pettis and Josh Sweat. Green crystal auto of nice Josh Rosen. Josh Rosen, green crystal auto for the Cardinals. That one's going to Merrill. So Merrill with his two best teams, Cardinals and Bills, hitting the rookie quarterback autos. Congratulations, sir. Two nice autos for sure. Hey, Quinn. A few decent hits so far. Josh Allen, Contenders auto. So that was good. We just had a Josh Rosen auto out of Prism. Got Hall of Fame tribute Randy Moss. Orange die cut of Devontae Adams at 249. Yes, not too bad. And we got Sam Darnold, rookie introduction. Red Wave, Dalvin Cook. That's out of 149. The Vikings. Bo Scarborough, rookie. Yeah, looks like we got auto number 3 in this box. Bradley Chubb, rookie. Third auto is Rashaan Evans, auto for the Titans. Titans was Kevin Mosselman. So it's going to Kevin. 5 packs left. Maybe a bonus auto or some other decent color, hopefully. We got 1 box of Contenders left. Light blue die cut of Devin Funchess for the Panthers. It's out of 199. Josh Allen, rookie. Yellow and green of Antonio Brown, 275. Anthony Miller rookie, Dalton Schultz rookie. Yellow and green rookie, Dante Pettis for the Niners, out of 275. And a Rashad Penny instant impact rookie, and a blue scope Jalen Ramsey for the Jags out of 99. And last pack of Prism. We got a Warren Sapp Hall of Fame inserts and a red wave of Allen Hurns out of 149 for the Cowboys. Got that nasty dislocation of his ankle. Hope you guys didn't see that replay. That was gross. All right, finishing up with Contenders. All right, good luck, everyone. Got MVP luck insert. Legendary Contenders Dion. I might be doing a baseball on Friday, Jason. I'm not sure yet. I was saying earlier, it probably depends on what the weather is supposed to be like. Kiki Cutie Rookie of the Year. First auto of this box is Deshaun Hamilton for the Broncos. This is our on-card auto. This is Deshaun Hamilton for the Broncos. It's going to Mike Gregory. I'll probably post tomorrow if I'm going to do anything on Friday. But probably if I do, it'll be baseball. We're going to do a little mixer. This is where you haven't done baseball too much lately. Drew Brees MVP. Auto number 2, Kurt Benkert for the Falcons and Steve Owen. Next week, I was talking about Wednesday is Crown Royale basketball's coming out. Probably do a whole case of that because I think it's a 12-box case. Legendary Contenders Terry Bradshaw. And then the week after that, you have limited football and optic basketball. So we'll definitely be doing some of that as well. MVP Contenders Antonio. Round numbers, James Washington, DJ Chark. Round numbers, Fitzpatrick and James. Team quads, Vikings. Malik Jefferson. Auto for the Bengals and Merrill. I think did we have a Malik in the last box? Rookie of the Year, DJ Moore. I know we had a Bengals auto in the last box. Couldn't remember if it's Malik or not. MVP Brady. Auto of Ray-Ray McCloud. Ray-Ray McCloud out of Clemson for the Bills and Merrill. Merrill's just cleaning up this break. The autos are falling his way, that's for sure. Yeah, and our legendary contenders, Brett Favre. Rookie of the Year, Naheem Hines. Had 4 autos so far. She said at least one more auto. I was hoping this would be a vet sticker auto box with hidden Deshaun Hamilton, but we'll see. Dante Pettis, Rookie of the Year. Yeah, playoff ticket, Jimmy Graham out of 175. DJ Moore Ridley, round numbers. Autos in this one. I think that's last auto, so we'll save that one. MVP Cam. Rookie of the Year, Deshaun Hamilton. And last pack, last auto. It is a foil. Looks like a playoff ticket. Round numbers, Ito and Balaj. Playoff or championship tickets. Nice. Playoff ticket, Leighton Vander Esch out of 99 for the Cowboys. That's one of the better sticker autos to hit. That's going to Steve Owen. Congrats to Steve. That helps make up for Deshaun Hamilton being on card a little bit. Steve Owen had the Cowboys. Nice hit, Steve. Good way to end the break there. Solid hit for sure. All right, so we got a few things to wrap up. We need to give away the points card. So here's a list from what we had before. It's at 3 right now. We're going to 6 because the dice roll was 3. So we're going to 6 times in this list will be the winner of the 250 points. So here we go. 1, Merrill. 2, Nick Hirsch. And 3, James Erie. So James gets the points. All right, then we got to do the free spots into next week's break, or maybe Friday's break, depending on what we do. So it's at 6. We're going to go to 9. The only one not eligible is Steve with the free spot marked from last week. So here we go. 3 more times. 1, good, Mike. 2, Tim. And 3, Mike Gregory. So Mike Gregory with the free spot.